bolts right here. Okay, now to take off the lights. We have to take out these. So now that we took off the clip, we do the same like we did on the other one. Which is the clip all around here, just pull it all the way to the bumper comes out. Over here, we already took off this, and we're just gonna pull it from the plastic layer. Now we have to pull it from this side. See that the light came off. Take off the light from the plug. I'm going to put whatever screwdriver or driver that you have. You're going to want to just pull it off. Like so. And then pull this. And it's off. As you can see, the plug right here. So now that we did the same on that side, we're going to do the same on this side. So we took off the bolts and then we pulled it from the middle of this right there. As you can see, just took off from this to this, and now I'm going to take off from the plug. Took it off from the plug, the plastic. So we have ordered the lights. Everything is packed good. You know, I don't know what these are. I think they're reflectors or of some sort. Yeah, you know, here are some of the lights. You can see. Checking out the packaging right now. So these are the lights, brand new. Like, these are the plugs. So right now I'm gonna show y'all about the lights. This is where I got them from. morimotohid.com. Go check them out. They're selling great stuff. So these, don't worry, because these lights are for the normal Camaro, or you can just take off this plug for the LED Camaro, which is the one we have. So don't worry, it's for both Camaros. Like I said, we're taking off this bolt, that bolt, and that bolt. Take off the back. So we're gonna have to take off these two to put on the other lights. So now the pins align and match the same as the plug. So I'm gonna show you how to put it. Take off the plastic first. we're going to put the excess cables back here. So you can see we can now put the bolts that are right here and right here. So now we're going to test if it actually works, because we plugged everything up, and let's see the results. Now that's looking sexy. I'm going to unwrap the other new light. So you can see I'm going to do the same that we did to this light. So now we took off the bracket from the other light, and we're going to put it on the new light. So now that we took off the other bracket and the clip, just right here, we're going to put that on this plastic and put the bracket on each one of these. So now we're waiting for the other baby to go on. That's it. Like so. So this is the bracket that we're putting on right now. Same that we did on the other one. We already put the clip. Now we're gonna put this baby on the other. Okay, so now we're going to guide the plugs like so. I think we already aligned it right now. And just plug it in, and the plastic should go right in. Like so. Now we're going to align this so we can bend the plug. We're going to try to fill the light in. Like I said, we already put the clip. So that the light doesn't move that much. These are the results. So now, I'm gonna turn it. So now, we're going to unlock it before putting everything up. See the results. Wow, that's looking good. You can see all the colors are right. Alright, so this is all the information. They're called Midnight Tail Lights, 2014-2015 Chevrolet Camaro. Like I said, normal Camaro, which we have the SRS, and these are the lights we bought. These are the results. It looks way better in real life, but like I said, the camera. So right now we're going to show you. Okay. Reverse right there. Yeah, reverse. That's to the left. And now that's to the right. So you can see they work really well. They look amazing from my perspective. He locked the car, unlocked the car, forward. They look really nice. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you.